Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys.
I want to tell you how I just put this whole weird mechanism together. I started out with just this one yellow rubber band right here, but after the first like 5 shots, it kept like overshooting. But I was thinking that maybe this second rubber band would like hold it and maybe make it less overshooting, but when I pulled it back, it kept overshooting or going to the side of the skull right here. Like it would go right here, it would go like all the way up here. So then I
You put the pins.
Alright, but to make sure these cups wouldn't when I hold it and let it shoot, it wouldn't go pew and just fly off.
Make it stable.
To make it stable, I put 60 pennies in all in these cups, so 30 in this side, 30 in this side. And then, just for more stable, to make it more stable, I taped it to the board. And then
That's it. Thank you.